Hello everyone. Today we came up with new episode Sophos High Availability and Licensing. The high availability means it's a business continuity with seamless security. It ensures to continue firewall operations and automatic failover and no manual intervention. The first thing we have to understand the types of HA mode. There are two types of HA mode. One is active-active and one more is active-passive. Let's dive into HA. Active-passive requires the same model appliances and the same firmware version, and one dedicated port is required to check the heartbeat of the firewall. If primary fails, the secondary firewall detects the heartbeat and it will take over automatically and the traffic will resume. First thing, we have to understand the architecture of active passive. So here we doesn't require any HA licenses separately, and the primary device needs enhanced plus licensing. So this enhanced plus license includes both the devices RMA process. The secondary firewall acts like a passive device, and the primary firewall license have a mirror copy. Whenever the primary goes down, it will send the information to the secondary firewall with policies, configurations, sessions, and the primary firewall will be goes on standby mode, and the secondary firewall acts like a primary firewall and the traffic will resumes. Now let's check with the active-active mode. Active-active mode is little tricky thing. Here both the firewalls require same kind of license. If there any change on the licensing part, we are not able to establish active-active connection. For active-active, we required same models of firewalls, same kind of license, same firmware is mandatory. In a HA mode, if primary fails, the secondary will detect the failure of the primary firewall and its take over automatically and the traffic will resume. Active-active HA architecture. HA active-active requires similar kind of licenses in both the devices because it acts like load balancing with high performance. And the firewalls require HA dedicated port to check the heartbeat of the firewalls. In active-active mode, the real-time sync will happen with both the firewalls. For example, if you are changing any policy on the primary firewall, immediately it will sync to the secondary firewall. In HA active-active mode, the downtime is very minimal. In active-active mode, we are able to see high reliability and business continuity seamless. HA mode is an ideal solution for any organization who requires the business continuity and minimal downtime. Generally, we can suggest active passive for any organization. Active passive is a budget friendly solution for any organization, comparatively active. So we can suggest active passive in SME, schools, hospitals, shops, wherever the business continuity is required. The active-active architecture we can suggest for enterprises, data centers, or any one is running with the critical applications with 24/7 operations. Conclusion on HA. Active-passive, only the primary device require the licenses. The auxiliary device has a copy of subscription, so it can process traffic after failover. The primary device must have Enhance Plus support, which offers advanced hardware replacement during the RMA process for both the devices. When it comes to active-active, both primary and auxiliary devices require the licenses. To receive advanced replacement during the RMA process, choose one of the following options on both the devices. One is Enhanced Support and one more is Enhanced Plus support. So Enhanced Support, normally when we are selling the product to a client, we can suggest the Enhanced Support. The MSP users, they have to opt for the Enhanced Plus support for advanced replacement. Thank you.